We're gonna try something new today. How's everybody doing? This is some brewed coffee I had left over from my Nespresso machine. And this is some coffee that I just seen at Aldi's. So I pour a little bit of that. Not too much. Gonna stir in some of this beautiful Starbucks coffee oat milk creamer. And this is the brown sugar shaken espresso. What a treat. Good morning. Coffee, please. Hi, love. How is everybody doing today? How y'all doing? Today is a great day. Today is a marvelous day. Do something good for yourself. Do something great for somebody else. So today I'm going to do it for myself. It feels so good to be back home. I'm so grateful and I'm so thankful that I took some time away. It feels good, and I'm going to keep on doing it as long as I can. As long as I can, and the Lord provides. Okay? I put it like that. But guys, this hair has to get washed. I don't remember washing my hair. It's been a very long time. So this is where we are today. Far as, look at this. Y'all look at this. This is where we are today. Far as the length, my hair has really grown. Like, it has really, really grown. And that's what I wanted it to do. So wetting it, twisting it, wearing it up. I'm gonna go back to my top knot for a little while. I don't know, just to give my hair like a little break. It's good to do that. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. And I don't know what else I'm gonna do. I don't have a lot of things to do in the house. The house is clean. I done washed my clothes, put those up. I've changed my bedding. What else? I did a lot. I got rid of some more stuff. Actually, it's in my car, but y'all not gonna go with me when I drop that off. Let me see. Oh, this is what I'm gonna be using. Y'all know normally I just use conditioner for my hair. And I actually think the last conditioner that I have, I think it's just a little bit, you can hear it, it's just a little bit left. And this was what is the name of that stuff? I don't know if it's Janky's or, I think it's Carol's daughter. I think it's Carol's daughter leave-in conditioner. So I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna leave this out so I won't forget. But I'm gonna use this Intense Hydrating Cream hair bath. This has a lot of natural ingredients. So this is the product right here. This is the product. And I'm just gonna let y'all see some of the, hopefully y'all can see this, some of the key ingredients, natural oils. So hopefully y'all can see that. But that's what we're gonna do today. Can y'all see it some more right here? Anyway, that's what we're doing today. I'm gonna get this hair washed, and whatever goes on in this vlog, that's what you're gonna get. All right?
Once they did that collaboration, our subscribers went all the way up. Become the next level leader you aspire to be. Doctorate from Franklin University. Choose from programs in business, healthcare, and education. And finish your doctorate 100% online in as few as 3 years. Franklin is no fear dissertation. Learn more at franklin.edu.
That is so good. I'm trying to finish that up. So guys, I am done with the hair. Look at that. So this is the only one I got. Like I said, I'm gonna wear it up in a top knot. But I want to address, I think your name is C. Gable. You were asking me about giving you like the ingredients to my this is jojoba oil, y'all. Because once I'm done with this, I'm gonna put my hair And once this is dry, I'm not going out yet until it's dry. I don't want to get sick. But you were asking me about my product. I can't give you the ingredients of my product, sir, ma'am, because I make that and I sell it. That's part of my income. So if you're interested, I do have, you can email me we can work out some sort of thing, because here where I live, I do cash, or because I don't have Cash App, or I do, what's that other? I do Square. I have the Square machine that I hook to my phone for payments. So if you really want the turmeric scrub, I can mail you out one. Just let me know. But yeah. So these, y'all, I'm using. This is the Ebony Angel that the guy made me. And this is the Okura from Avon. And I'm going to rinse one. I had one of these since I'm back now. I use this for my trip because I have like the travel. I'll show you. I have like the travel containers in this little bag here. So I'm going to wash this and soap it out. I'm going to use the rest of it probably for the heels of my feet. Clean that out and that'll be done. And then for my face, let me see. We're going to use a little something here. A little something here. We're going to do that. So that's done. And then I don't really use mascara a lot. I'm going to put some on today because we're going to go out and do a little something. Not too much, y'all. Not too much, because I have really been saving my money, and that's how I was able to go somewhere. Okay? I'm just being realistic. That's how I was able to travel. But look, this is all the hair that I have in my comb. Look, a little bit. I think that was good. So, like I said, I'm going to let my hair dry. Here's the face. Not too much. And I'll see you in a minute.
My coffin don't lean. Rest in peace. Every night and around like I'm ready for a funeral. So let's 808 to see the end. Memories still stay.
I stopped in TJ Maxx because, y'all, if you do surveys, you get coupons. I'm going to plug in a picture of a coupon that I could spend at Marshall's, TJ Maxx, or whatever. That's what I'm doing. This is so cute. Look at that. That's different. How much is this? How much is it? Oh, $7.99. That ain't bad for home decor. They're playing music, so I'll show y'all another time what I get, okay? I'm just sitting here filling up my tank. I said $39.90. I don't know. Oh, it might take it. Okay, it might take it. The gas is $2.85 here. It was less than that in Virginia, though. It was less than that, so it feels good to sit on the passenger side for a minute. I didn't want to get wet. It's raining outside. I stopped in Target to get me some of this toothpaste. Look at all the little Halloween pumpkin stuff. I thought this was cute right here, though. This right here, cutting board with the flower on it. I thought that was cute. It's different, but it stinks. That's different. It don't smell too good. Let me get up out of here, y'all. I need to go home. I'll show y'all what I picked up. All right, y'all, we're back. So I'm thinking about maybe moving my ring light over there so y'all can have... Let me know, do I move the ring light over there so y'all can see over here? There's nothing really for y'all to see, but anyway, y'all see what I picked up from Target. I only got the hello because I'm down to the nitty gritty, the very bottom of mine. This was $4.99, And I don't mind paying that because the one that I did have, y'all, I only paid $1 for it. And I've had it for at least 2.5 months. So that's not bad. So this is not bad. And it lasts for a long time. It is actually, what is this? 4.7 ounces. It lasts for a long time. Okay, it lasts for a long time. And then from TJ Maxx, y'all, what I was trying to explain to y'all is the cute. Okay, I do surveys for Google. I do surveys as sponsor, and they give me, I can either pick department stores, food, what else is it? Gift cards, or you could do, they'll just give you a gift card. You can pick whatever you want online, and you can use it that way. You download it, do a screenshot, and it's yours. Okay, so I picked up this Med-Flam. It's glass Eco Ray. This one was marked down to $3 though. This one was marked down $3. So I got this one. One is gonna hold my nuts, and the other one, this is gonna hold like teas and yeah, just the teas on my coffee bar, which is almost the same color. Like I said, that's $3. And then I got this one for, this wasn't bad, $3.99. Yeah, $3.99, and I used my $5. My $5 coupon. So yeah, and this is Eco Ray too, and this one has like a darker top. So y'all, that is what I picked up from TJ Maxx and Target. So guys, I'm going to end out this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed me today, and that's going to do it for me. Thank you for hanging out for my real life vlogs. I'll see you guys in the next one. Always remember to do what? Love yourself, so you'll be able to love others, so this world will be a much better place. Bye guys. Bye.